We're looking for a World War II airplane that lays over in the near the river, near a clearing. Would you know where it is, or know which village could give us a guide and take us to it?
Yeah, I know.
You know? It's near that big clearing we were over, right? I know it's in the bush, but that big clearing that we were at, we can walk to it from there, right? We've landed at a little village near Brahman, and we're going to fly one of the men in. Says he knows where the P-38 is, and we've flown over the site. It looks very similar. I mean, I recognize the clearing, recognize the site, so I think we're in the right spot. Logger. We've been searching for about 2 hours. We came in close but couldn't find it. We tried on our own, got the natives to help us. After some time we were able to locate the P-38. Unfortunately, we're in water up to our knees, which is going to severely complicate our efforts to salvage this aircraft. Yeah, it's definitely full of mud. What do you guys think? Is there hope?
Well, look, you've got exfoliation that runs in here, and that just travels, just grows straight down your main spar cap. That's your main spar cap.
He probably was there, wasn't it?
Well, likely. Some people get moved and they don't know what they got.